Understanding Repair the Wall, a guide for English language learners. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore the phrase, repair the wall. This is a common expression in English, used in various contexts. Let's dive into what it means and how you can use it in everyday conversation. Repair the wall literally means fixing or restoring a wall that has been damaged or deteriorated. This can involve activities like filling holes, repainting, or rebuilding parts of the wall. However, this phrase can also be used metaphorically in different contexts, which we will explore in the next section. Literal use. In a literal sense, repair the wall is often used in construction or home maintenance contexts. For example, after the storm, we had to repair the wall to prevent water from coming in. Metaphorical use. Metaphorically, it can imply fixing or addressing a problem or deficiency. For instance, the company needs to repair the wall of its customer service to improve satisfaction. To help you understand better, let's look at some examples. 1. Literal. I spent my weekend repairing the wall in my living room. 2. Metaphorical. After the scandal, the politician had to repair the wall of his reputation. When using repair the wall, ensure you're clear about the context. It's important not to confuse it with similar phrases like build a wall or break down a wall, which have different meanings. I hope this video has helped clarify the phrase, repair the wall, for you. Remember, understanding the context is key to using it correctly, whether in a literal or metaphorical sense. Happy learning, and see you in our next video.